You were my best friends. We used to party every weekend.
We used to party, yeah. We used to party, yeah.
Knew you was fake from the start, though.
Hi guys, Monty here, coming at you with another video. And as you can tell by the title, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new 2019 MacBook Pro with the touch bar, okay? So, this is it, fresh in the Apple bag, okay? So, I ordered mine online. With the student discount, you get like so much off of the laptop itself, and then also they give you beads like on them. So I got some beads, but I don't pick those up till Friday. But I just had to come at y'all with this video because I want to open it myself, but I also want y'all to be here along for the ride. So this is the bag they gave me at the store, and we're just gonna pop it out. Okay. So we popped it out the bag. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And you can see my phone. So this is the box. MacBook Pro on the side. Apple sign over there, right there, and it has my name, but nobody need to see that. And okay. So a view, so that's what it looks like. On the table, so y'all can see me take the top off. Oh, so beautiful. Looking like, guys. That's just the front. Okay, so then we're gonna lift up this tab right here. I need to get a better camera set up, but we're just gonna lift it. It comes right out. Ooh. Comes out and up, and it's in this little sleeve right here. So we're just gonna put that to the side. We're gonna see what else is in the box. So then it comes with this cute little charger and this little pamphlet. In the pamphlet is just some more specs about the item. Okay. And you lift this tab and boom, there's the charger. You're not gonna die on me. Okay. Anything else in the box? I don't think so. So now to the main event. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little sleeve off. Woo. And then slide her out. Put that sleeve over there. It's so smooth. It's so cold. It's so sleek. It's so my life. Look at this. That's cute. This is what the bottom looks like. This is what the top looks like. And so now, I don't know if it has to charge. How do I open this? How do I open this? Just the back. Lord Jesus. I was like, oh, okay. And inside here is this little paper. It's turning on. Okay, y'all, so I've got it all set up and running and whatnot, and this is the first screen that I come to. I haven't customized anything. I simply just started it, added a passcode, did my fingerprint thing, and now I'm in the laptop. This is what the screen is looking like. I got Hey Siri set up, and and everything else, so I'm just going to have some fun with this. I've been super excited. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. As you can see, I was super excited, and I'm sorry my camera died for me to give an outro, but thanks for hanging out with me again. We're gonna do this pretty soon, and I'm gonna upload another video. Alright, thanks, bye!